Good morning, guys. We have all the riders arriving. I think more 10-15 guys are supposed to join, and then we're all set to go. The parking lot is full. There's hardly any space left over, so that's the power of the Orange Brigade, or the riders instilled with orange venom in their veins. So the atmosphere here is absolutely electrifying because look at the turnout. You can see KTM bikes all over the place, and this is not just an ordinary ride. This is what KTM choose to call a power ride. So this is hashtag KTM power ride. Around 3,000 plus riders across 100 plus cities riding together to underscore the spirit of unity that prevails among the motorcycling fraternity, and of course our Independence Day being celebrated in grand style, emphasizing safety and defining the very essence of our nation, which is unity in diversity. Happy Independence Day! Happy Independence Day! So this is not just an ordinary ride. This is what KTM choose to call a power ride, where 3,000 plus riders are riding across 100 plus cities simultaneously to underscore one fact, and that is we are from different backgrounds, different communities or different faiths, riding different bikes, but we have one heart that beats for India, right? So today we are going to set an example. People have a lot of things to say, KTM riders rash chalate ye wo bolke, but we are going to lead by example. We are going to emphasize safety. We are going to underscore the fact that we all ride responsibly and we know how to handle powerful machines. Okay? Yes? Yes!
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to.